Good morning. Day 2. It's nice. Look at that. Look at that view. Amazing. There's a couple fly fishermen up ahead of me. They already got a couple on. Let's see if we can get some good ones today, guys. I'm going to start in the place where I finished last night, and I'm going to work my way downriver into some bigger spots. All right, let's do this. Oh, happy Thanksgiving. It is Turkey Day. Good one, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Good one. Oh, no! Keep the pressure. Oh. Oh, there's another one, guys. Oh, that's a better one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh! Damn it! There's one, boys. Oh, another good one. Oh. Oh, that's a good one. Oh my God, guys. What a beautiful fish. I'm using 2 pounds, so I gotta be super careful. I gotta be super careful. Got the drag just right now. I don't think this guy's gonna fit in my net either. Oh. Oh my God. That was a good one, guys. I mean, he was pretty much landed, but he broke off right at the net. Oh, that was a good one. You guys see it? You guys see it? My fault. I pulled on it trying to get in the net. I don't even know why I tried to get in the net. It wasn't even going to fit in the net. All right. Screw this 2 pound. I'm switching to 4. No way, guys. I'm on top of this hill and I just stuck a good one. Oh, can you guys see that? Oh, how do I get down? I gotta keep the pressure. Stuck a nice one from up on top of the hill. Pretty rad. Pretty colors. Look at them. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Wow. Look at the colors on them. Incredible. Oh, incredible, guys. Look at that. Wow. Look at those colors. So beautiful. Beautiful fish go. Look at those colors one more time. Wow. See you later, buddy. Hey, well, check this out. Look at that. A baby brown. My first brown of the trip, but it's a baby. Grow up and become a giant, little buddy. Oh my God, I got a giant. I got a giant. I got a giant, guys. I got one of them. Oh my God, I got one of them. I got one of them. Oh, how the hell am I gonna do this? Oh, it's a big one, guys. Oh, I got one. I can't believe it. I'm gonna have to walk it down. I'm gonna have to walk it down. Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna have to walk it down, guys. Oh my God, it's a giant. It's a giant. It's on the bank. It's on the bank. Oh, I got one, dude. Wow, I freaking got one of them. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I freaking landed one. Look at that. Look at that. I can't believe it. Oh, that's one of the big ones that's in there. There's two more. Let's see if I can get more. Wow. See you later, buddy. I did it from the top. I freaking did it. Day number 2 was pretty epic. The only problem is I lost a lot of giants. I lost some good ones today. 2-pound test, trout 1. Had to switch over to the 4. Finally got a nice one. Can't believe I got that nice one from the top of the, what would you call that? Like a hill or something? I don't know. But I got one. Worked hard for it. And I'm tired. And now it's time to go eat a lot of turkey because it's been cooking and I'm ready to stuff my face. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Day 3, but day 3 is only gonna be an afternoon session because I'm sleeping in. I'm out.